Sir,
Yes.
in the Sunday test, which PDF will be there for the test?
In Sunday's test, which PDF will be there? You are saying?
Yes, sir. The
This
which
time,
we are solving or the new one?
it will be both. Whatever we are solving number I have given, na, exactly same number you will take for the PDF which I have sent. Hello?
Okay.
Ah.
Yes.
So because I am solving means you know, you are solving again you are knowing. So it will be combo of both. See, Sunday's test will be combo of two sheet. One which I am solving in the class, second which you are solving at home. Chalo. Ninth one. Pranjali, can you read ninth one louder? Read ninth one, Pranjali. Yes, one of you can read it. Ninth sum.
A hammer weighing 3 kg
Hammer
strikes
weighing
the
3
head.
kg. कौन सा समय ये? Who is reading what? Hammer वाला सम कौन कर रहा है ये? Who is reading this?
Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir. I by
Because you are on
mistakenly
the
opened it.
wrong track. Okay, read now. Because first that booklet should be in front of you. Read it.
The field normal to the plane of a
No, this is
wire.
also not the correct one. Aman, you read.
Yes, sir. A long straight
A
wire
long straight wire. This is the sum.
carries a certain current and produces a magnetic field 2 into 10 raised to minus 4 Weber per meter square
Huh.
at a perpendicular distance of 5 centimeter from the wire. An electron situated at 5 centimeter from the wire moves with the velocity of 10 raised to 7 meter per second towards the wire along perpendicular to it. The force experienced by the electron will be
What
charge
is
of
formula
electron.
for force experienced by electron? Formula for that? Electron. Yes. Q V sin theta. Here charge will be E. V is velocity. B we have to find. Sin theta is sin 90 because it is perpendicular. Once again I am reading and drawing the diagram. A long straight wire. This is long straight wire carries current I. Carries certain current. Produces magnetic field at distance of 5 centimeter. Magnetic field of 2 into 10 raised to minus 4 Weber per meter square at distance of 5 centimeter perpendicular to the wire. As electron situated 5 centimeter from wire moves with velocity of 10 raised to 7 meter per second towards wire perpendicular to it. Force experienced by it will be how much? Force is QVB sin 90. 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19. V is 10 raised to 7. 2 into 10 raised to minus 4, 1. So this R is useless. That is 3.2 into 10 raised to 7 and minus 4 is 3. Minus 19 and 3 is minus 16. That many Newton. Option B. Any doubt in the sum? Hello, any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, copy. मेरे पैंट के पीछे, मेरे पैंट के पीछे मेरे किचन में पैंट वाले में अभी नहीं लगे। यश मेरे पैंट में अंदर इधर है। गेट नंबर 1 है, गेट नंबर 1 से आपको जाना है। और राजावाड़ी हॉस्पिटल आप कैसे जाओगे? जीपीएस लगा के? Yes, completed.
Yes.
10th one. Okay. See, are you not confused with the homework part now? Homework, the new sheet which I have sent, from there you have to start, and the classwork sheet which I am doing, and your test will be exactly same numbers from classwork and the homework sheet which I have sent on Sunday. Any confusion arises in your mind, you can ask me by WhatsApp or by calling. Next, sum number 10. A current of 1 ampere. Everybody is having same sheet? Or different questions you are reading? Then it will be difficult task. Is it same you all have? In
Same.
correct. Current of 1 ampere flowing through positive x-axis. Okay. Current is flowing through positive, means it is along I cap. Straight wire of length 0.5 meter. Field of 2 I cap plus 4 j cap Tesla. The magnitude and direction of force experienced by wire. Magnitude plus direction, we want both. Okay. First, magnitude is very simple. I L bar cross B bar. I is 1. L I told take direction of I. So it is 0.5 I cap. It's cross with 2I plus 4J. This equals to 1 into L bar cross B bar. 0.5 into 2 is 1. And I bar cross I bar will become 0. 0.5 into 4
2
is
K cap.
2. What is I cross J?
K cap.
K cap. So my answer is 2K cap. That means 2 Newton along positive Z. Okay. Hello.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Copy. Beautiful sum.
Done, sir.
Okay. Eleven. A wire of 100-gram length of 1 meter carries current of 5 ampere, is balanced in mid-air by magnetic field. Then what is value of B? What is meaning of balanced? Balanced means what? Moving up or moving down?
So stable.
Stationary, at equilibrium, stable. So can I say weight mg is supported by magnetic force ILB?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Like we were doing in charge particle, weight is electric force EE. So this is magnetic force. 100 gram is 100 into 10 raised to minus 3. G is 10, I is 1, L is 5, B we have to calculate. 10, 10 raised to 2 minus 3 cancel. So this is 1 upon 5 equals to B, 0.2 equals to P. A option, 0.2. Option A. Completed?
Yes, sir.
Okay, next sum. Magnetic force is always perpendicular to magnetic field. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Electric force is along the direction of electric field. This is also correct. But reason is not true. है ना?
Yes.
Reason क्या बोल रहे हैं? Magnetic force perpendicular क्योंकि electric force. No. So both are correct, but reason is not correct.
B.
B option. Yes. 13. A charged particle is projected along the direction of magnetic field, then its velocity will be. Charged particle is projected along the direction of field. Then what is its velocity? When velocity changes, can you tell? When velocity changes? Hello? When velocity changes? Basic physics I'm asking. When velocity will change?
Force applied.
Yes, that means there is acceleration. So velocity changes when there is acceleration. That is force. So here what is force? It is Q VB sine 0, correct? That is 0.
Yes, sir.
So we will remain constant. We will remain constant, unchanged, option C. Complete it again.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next sum. A straight wire of length 2 meter. 14. A straight wire of length 2 meter carries current of 10 ampere if wire is placed in the field of 0.15 Tesla, making angle 45 degree with field. What is the force experienced? Simple sum. ILB sine theta is force experienced. 2 current is 10 into 2 into 0.15 sine 45. 10 into 220 into 0.15 into sine 45 is 1 by root 2. So 20 into 0.15, rationalize this, root 2 upon 2, 2 into 10. 10 into 0.15 is 1.5 into root 2. Or 1.5 into root 2 is same as 3 upon root 2. Hello?
Yes, sir.
That is same as 3 upon root 2. ये फॉर्म में नहीं है इसलिए. Option D. That means they have not rationalized the answer.
Done.
Okay, coming to the next sum. A current carrying power line. A current carrying power line carries current from west to east. West to east. Good morning, sir. टाइमिंग कैसा है? 6 to 4 ही है. कोशिश करता हूँ यार. नहीं बहुत नहीं आप कितने बजे? आप 4 बजे आ जाते हो? नहीं 6 बजे आते हो? अच्छा ठीक है, चलो आपको मैं कल टक कर देता हूँ. ओके बाय. A current carrying power line carries current from west to east. West to east current is going. The direction of magnetic field 1 meter above the power line will be. Magnetic field here will be what? चलो राइट हैंड थंब रूल से बताओ क्या रहेगा?
North to south.
North to south.
It is going in. I is going on east side. Palm is inside. Then coming outward. B bar. What you are saying, which direction?
North to
North
south.
to
So they
south.
have said 1 meter above the power.
हाँ, above, correct. So from above it should come towards us ना, तो outward हो जाएगा ना, इधर outward होगा ना.
Yes, sir.
Outward मतलब it is coming towards to us ना.
Yes.
Coming towards us means it is coming from north to south. Correct. D option. Correct. Going in means south to north. Coming out from north to south. Correct. Any doubt in direction?
No, sir.
16. See, direction related is dangerous because we don't, there is no method. We have to only understand theory. It is not calculation. 16th one. I'm just explaining this because magnetism I have not done, but still you can understand. An uncharged particle is moving with velocity v bar in non-uniform magnetic field as shown. Velocity v would be where? See, what does this means? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
See, meaning of this means field is strong. This means field is weak. These two are same. A and B pe field is same. So force will be same. We want velocity v bar would be what? Maximum at A. Will there be force acting here? Here, everywhere?
Yes, sir.
यहाँ पे force maximum होएगा because field strong. इधर भी maximum होएगा field strong. इधर weak होएगा ना? Hello?
Yes, sir.
So where the velocity will be maximum?
A and B.
No. ध्यान से देखो जरा, सही समय. फोर्स का फॉर्मूला होता है क्यू वी बी साइन थीटा.
Sir, charge is 0.
Pardon?
Charge is 0.
चार्ज इज जीरो. हाँ, अनचार्ज पार्टिकल दिया. ओके, जीरो 0 चार्ज इज 0. ठीक है. मतलब क्या? सेम एट ऑल पॉइंट ना, कुछ नहीं होने वाला है उसको.
Yes, sir.
नहीं है. दूसरा, अगर चार्ज रहता भी ना तो डायरेक्शन ऑफ फील्ड है तो भी 0 होता फोर्स. सो इट इज डी ऑप्शन. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट सम. Q0, there is no force acting in field. 17th. Moving charge will produce what? Electric field only, magnetic field only, both electric and magnetic field.
Both electric and
Both electric and magnetic field. Correct. 18th. Again direction based. A horizontal metal wire is carrying current from north to south. Carrying current from north to south. North to south मतलब outward ना?
Yes, sir.
North to south, outward. Using uniform field, it is to be prevented from falling under gravity. The direction of magnetic field should be towards where? Okay. Direction of field किधर होना चाहिए? तो ये wire is north south. तो डायरेक्शन ऑफ फील्ड ऊपर होना चाहिए ना, ऐसा. to prevent it, force का.
Yes.
तो ऊपर मतलब किधर जाएगा ये? Along y axis चाहिए ना आपको? See, if I take this as y axis, this as x, तो ऊपर मतलब z चाहिए. It's up to you. Upward I want. Correct ना?
Yes.
Force का direction I want upward. So they are telling field will be where? Force should be upward. Upward. I is coming out means K cap. Cross with B ka direction we want. Up I am taking as J cap. Now tell me K cap, I cap, J cap, K cap. You want answer plus J. And K we have. So it should be K cross I. Correct, no? Which will give you J. Hello? K cross I, no?
Yes, sir.
K cross I means it will be this direction.
Yes.
I is where then? East or west?
East.
East direction. This is the answer. East. Difficult sum again. Anybody who has not followed concept
So could you
again?
explain again?
Upward means J cap. ये Y हो गया बराबर.
Yes, sir.
ये outward मतलब K cap.
Yes, sir.
Now K cross what will give you J? I.
I.
I means where? Positive X. That means east.
Yes, sir. Got it.
So this is my answer. Shall I clear now?
Yes.
18th over 19th. Magnetic field B perpendicular to the plane of paper is present at certain place. Magnetic field B perpendicular to the plane of paper, okay, is placed at certain place. Calcium ion, which is positive charge, is moving with in the plane. Okay, suppose ये plane है. Magnetic field is perpendicular to the plane. Magnetic field is perpendicular. Can be inward, can be outward, but perpendicular. Positive charge is moving in the plane. Okay. Positive charge is moving in the plane. So Q is in the plane. Q in plane. B in plane. B is also in plane. The magnetic force will be. क्या लग रहा है आपको? Zero ना? Because Q and B are in same direction. Hello? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
So V and B are in same direction. What is F? Zero or not?
Yes, sir.
Option D. So please keep on asking because this is only difficult task. Once formula related comes, then it will become simple. Field is inward, charge is also moving inward. That means field and charge are in same direction. That means V and B are in same direction. So Q, V, B, sine 0 will be the answer. Sine 0 is 0, therefore D. Shall I go to 20?
Sir, the answer given is B.
B is what? No, that is
Answer.
wrong. No, it's
Okay,
wrong.
sir.
It can't be that, no? Hello? See, answer will come. Second one, if they say charge is moving parallel to the plane. Hello? Hello? 19, just look again. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
थोड़ा wordings wrong है वो लोग का. In the plane they are telling like this. Plane का अंदर है ऐसा. तो वो लोग right है फिर. In the plane. Not ये B is perpendicular to plane. And this is in plane. Actually रहना चाहिए along the plane. Wording wrong है वो लोग. So F will become QVB sin 90. Charge is 2E because it is positively iron. 2EVB. B is the correct option. Wording wrong है उनका थोड़ा book में. It should be along the plane or parallel to the plane. 20th I'm explaining now. The magnetic force acting on charged particle of charge -2 microcoulomb in a magnetic field of 2 Tesla along y direction. Velocity is 2I cap plus 3J cap into 10 raised to 6 meter per second will be where? 2 Tesla along y. So can I say 2J cap? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Now F is Q, V bar cross V bar. -2 into 10 raised to -6. V is 2I cap plus 3J cap into 10 raised to 6. It's cross with 2J cap. तो पहला ये सब मल्टीप्लाई कर लेता हूँ. 10 raised to -6 I'm bringing outside. So -2, 10 raised to -6 into 10 raised to +6 will be 2I cap plus 3J cap. It's cross with 2J cap. Please copy till this. F equal to -2. 2 into 2, 4. What is I cross J?
K.
K cap. K cap, बराबर. And then 2 into 3 into 2, 6. J cross J will be 0. So we are getting final answer -8 K cap. So that means 8 Newton in minus Z, na? D option. Okay?
Yes.
Hello? Okay. Once you complete, tell so that I can start.
Done, sir.
Yes, sir.
21. 21. A charge, whether stationary or in motion, produces magnetic field around it. Produces magnetic field around it. Not true, na?
Yes, sir. Not true.
Only in motion
Yes.
will produce. Yes. Moving charge produces only electric field. That means both are incorrect. Option D. 22. The magnetic Lorentz force is given by charge Q. Magnetic Lorentz force. Which formula? Q into V bar cross B bar. Where it is that way? Velocity V and field B. Q into V bar cross B bar. Option E. Okay. Hello. 22 option E. Correct now?
Yes, sir.
Next, 23rd. Two charges plus Q minus Q are attached to the end of light rod. Plus Q minus Q are attached to the rod of length L as shown in the figure. System is given velocity V. Okay. Perpendicular to magnetic field B bar. The magnetic force on the system of charge. Magnetic force on the system of charge and magnitude of force on one charge by the rod are respectively how much? One charge. So this is charge Q moving with velocity V in a field of induction V. So one charge पे it will be QVB. Okay. But for positive and negative, direction will be opposite.
Yes, sir.
So on system, it will be 0. On system 0 and one charge QVB. Option is B. Twenty-fourth. A conducting circular loop of radius R carries a constant current I. Circular loop of radius R carries constant current I. Is placed in field B such that B is perpendicular to the plane of loop. Okay. The magnetic force on the loop will be how much? Magnetic force on the loop will be how much? Important one. We have studied for conductor, not the loop. So if I consider this elemental length here and here at these 2 points. So net force we can find acting on this. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Say they're telling what is the force acting on the loop. We have studied conductor, but this is given loop. What is magnetic force on the loop? Now loop ka extreme end means this, na? Hello? For loop, this becomes extreme end. Okay? Arey, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So length you will take as this distance between extreme end. So it is 2r. This is the length here. नहीं, length होगा पूरा अपना कितना? Circumference है ना, length 2 pi r, पूरा length 2 pi r. Okay. So force formula is I L B. I is current and total length 2 pi r into B. 2 pi r B. Any option can you see?
Option B.
Yes. Remember for loop, we are taking total length as circumference. I'm clearing this 24th. So don't take it extreme. Total length you take. It is nothing but 2 pi r. 25. ये भी सही समय. Electron is moving with speed of 2 into 10 raised to 5 meter per second along positive x. That means in vector form, it is into I cap v bar. And v bar is I cap minus 4j cap minus 3k cap Tesla. Magnitude of force on the electron v bond. Please find v bar cross v bar first by determinant method. I cap j cap k और खाली I है ना, तो एक ही फटाक से कर देता हूं मैं. रुको. Charges electron they have given. So force is E v bar cross v bar. Two into 10 raised to 5 I cap cross with I cap minus 4j cap minus 3k cap. I cross I is 0. Correct,
Yes,
na?
sir.
And 4 into 2 will be 8 into 10 raised to 5. What is I cross j? K. अरे ये माइनस है तो माइनस k कैप हो गया. Minus. Then 2 into 5 again. 6 into 10 raised to 5. What is I cross k?
Minus j.
I cross k is minus j. Minus minus plus. Okay.
Yes.
अभी E कितना बोला है?
Of electron.
Electron means 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19. Correct na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Into 10 raised to minus 19. अभी 8565 इसका मैग्नीट्यूड क्या होएगा?
10.
10. 8 6 10. 10 into 10 raised to 5. So can I say directly it will become 16, the 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 13 in magnitude? Option C. Followed?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, मतलब इसमें दो चीजें देखो, वेक्टर एंड देन मैग्नेटिक फील्ड. 25.
Done, sir.
Okay. Energy associated with moving charge is due to. With moving charge is due to what?
Option C.
Pardon? Hello, what you said?
Can magnetic field?
Magnetic field. Only magnetic field?
No, sir, both.
Both.
Option C.
Both. Correct. Because it produces both electric and magnetic field. Weber per meter square is equal to Tesla.
Tesla.
28. Charge Q is moving upward. Plus Q is moving upward means along J cap. It enters a magnetic field directed to the north means minus K cap. Then force will be where? Force is along J cap cross minus K cap. That means V bar. J cross K is what?
Minus I cap.
Plus I. Plus I into minus will become minus I.
Minus I cap.
Minus I means which direction? West.
West.
Yes, west. Next, V given, B given, find the force. Please try. Simple one it is. F bar is charge Q, which is electron. V bar cross B bar. So I'm separately finding first V bar cross V bar. I, J, K. V is 350. This is 640. So 3 into 0 minus I cap into 0. J cap. For J cap 3 into 0 also 0. Plus K cap 3 into 4 will be 12 minus 30. So it is equals to minus 18 K cap. Minus 18 K cap. Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
F bar is E into minus 18 K cap. Na? So 18E minus K cap means negative Z. 18E Newton along negative Z. B option. बराबर है ये? हेलो बराबर है?
Yes, sir.
नहीं, चार्ज तो उल्टा होता है ना इलेक्ट्रॉन. ये मैग्नीट्यूड 18E लेकिन माइनस है ना ये इलेक्ट्रॉन का चार्ज. सो इट विल बी माइनस माइनस प्लस. से देखो F विल बी माइनस Q हो जाएगा ना ये, वेर Q इज इलेक्ट्रॉन का चार्ज. सो इट विल बिकम A आंसर. 18E positive X. Very important again. 90% we will leave like this. But they are telling 18E means 18E is magnitude, not in bar form. Shall I clear? A29?
Just a second.
Avan, you will wait after the class.
Yes.
Okay, done?
Yes, sir.
30th. an electron is moving in north direction means J cap. North direction, inward K cap. So V bar is along minus K cap. It experiences force vertically upward means along J cap. देखो इलेक्ट्रॉन है, जो भी आएगा उसका उल्टा बोलना है आपको. The magnetic field of the at the position of electron is in which direction? Field का direction I want. See, if this electron is moving up towards north minus K cap, so इसका effect will be for positive. I will take plus K cap. Okay? Electron का उल्टा रहता है ना Q पे direction. This line followed?
Yes.
Now then if you have followed this, then you can tell me answer very easily. We want J cap result. This is plus K cap. Cross what will give J cap? K cross what is J cap? Think and say. K cross what is J cap? I na K cross I. K cap cross I cap is J cap na final answer.
Yes.
Yes.
So I cap is my answer. I cap means which direction? West. Sorry, east. A option. I cap means east. A answer. See, if somebody asks me what is difficult for you, I will say this is only part because it is direction. Sometimes we can by mistake give wrong result. Negative charge, so uska ulta positive ka lena.
Done, sir.
Okay. (31). Now onwards it will become easier for you. Till 30 it was direction based difficult. Electron is moving in circular path under influence of transverse. Transverse means perpendicular magnetic field 3.57 into 10 raised to minus 2 Tesla. If value of E by M is 1.76 into 10 raised to 11 coulomb per kg, the frequency of revolution is how much? So whenever charge particle enters magnetic field and performs circular motion, always remember QVB is mv square by r. Fixed rule. I hope this line is in your head now. Charge enters perpendicular to the field and performs circular motion. QVB is mv square by r. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now 1 V I can cancel. We want answer in frequency. Q is E. B equal to M V upon R. Is it omega?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Omega means 2 pi into F. Hello?
Yes.
So F will become E by M V upon 2 pi. E by M is 1.76 into 10 raised to 11. And B is 3.57 into 10 raised to minus 2 upon 2 pi is 2 into 3.14. Please copy till this. Nandini, you have to also wait after the class.
Yes.
Okay, you all came till this 1.76 into 3.57.
Yes.
See, if I take this as 1.8 and this as nearly 4, 4 भी नहीं है 3, 1.8 into 3 कर देता हूं, इसको थोड़ा ज्यादा इसको थोड़ा कम, into 3 upon 6.8. So this is 5.4, 6.8, nearly 1 ना? हेलो,
Yes.
देखो 3.14 इसको समझा तो डबल हो गया, वैसा भी समझ सकते हैं. 1.7 upon 2 is 0.86, so nearly 1 ना?
Yes, sir.
What is meaning of 10 raised to 9? Giga. This is 1 gigahertz. This is hertz. 10 raised to 9 is 1 giga. 10 raised to 6 is mega. Today we'll stop here. This Sunday's test can be difficult for you if you are not practicing honestly. Shall I clear it now?
Yes, sir, done.
That's all for today. Please stick to the planner.